Some people excel at saving money with a high savings rate and a steadily growing savings account. However, for others, the situation is quite different. Many struggle with saving, seeing their accounts remain stagnant and finding it nearly impossible to set aside any funds. Often, these individuals don't fully understand why saving is such a challenge for them. So, in this video, I'm going to discuss 9 of the most common reasons why people find it difficult to save money. The first reason is lacking initial savings. This might sound like a catch-22, but to start saving money, you need to have some money already saved. The more you have in savings, the easier it becomes to save because life's unexpected events won't hit you as hard. Imagine 2 people, one with $20,000 saved and another with just $1,000. If both face an unexpected $1,000 expense, the person with more savings can cover it without much impact, while the other would deplete their entire savings, starting over from zero. Another surprise expense would push the second person into debt, while the first person would continue saving. Without a solid savings foundation, it's tough to save because life's surprises keep setting you back. That's why it's crucial to take drastic steps to build a strong nest egg, making saving easier in the long run. The second reason is buying expensive car. Purchasing a costly car might seem appealing, but it often comes with financial burdens that outweigh its benefits. While a luxurious vehicle can offer comfort, status, and advanced features, the long-term financial impact can be significant. One of the primary reasons to avoid buying an expensive car is the strain it can place on your budget. High monthly payments can consume a large portion of your income, leaving you with less money for savings, investments, or other essential expenses. Over time, this can hinder your financial stability and limit your ability to achieve long-term financial goals. Moreover, cars are depreciating assets. The value of a vehicle starts to decrease the moment you drive it off the lot, and expensive cars tend to depreciate faster. This means that the car you paid a premium for will be worth significantly less in just a few years. In contrast, opting for a more affordable vehicle can allow you to allocate funds towards assets that appreciate over time, such as real estate or investments. The third reason is not focusing on quality. When it comes to making purchases, focusing on quality is crucial for long-term satisfaction and financial well-being. While it may be tempting to choose cheaper options to save money in the short term, this approach often leads to more significant expenses down the line. Low-quality products tend to wear out quickly, requiring frequent replacements or repairs, which can add up over time. By investing in quality from the start, you can avoid these repeated costs and enjoy the durability and reliability of your purchase. Moreover, quality products often provide a better overall experience. Whether it's clothing, electronics, or household items, high-quality goods tend to perform better, last longer, and offer greater comfort or functionality. This can enhance your daily life and reduce the frustration that comes with using subpar items. Focusing on quality also contributes to sustainability. Higher quality items are often made with better materials and craftsmanship, leading to a longer lifespan. This reduces the need for constant replacements, ultimately decreasing waste and benefiting the environment. The fourth reason is you are house poor. Housing costs, whether rent or mortgage, are the biggest expenses most people face. The general rule is that housing costs shouldn't exceed 30% of your monthly income, allowing you to cover other bills and save effectively. However, the reality is that many people spend 40 to 50% of their income on rent or mortgage payments, leaving little room for other expenses and even less for savings. When your housing costs exceed 30% of your income, you're considered house poor, making it difficult to save money. To improve your financial situation, it's essential to keep housing costs within that 30% threshold, ensuring you have enough left over for bills and savings. The fifth reason is living alone. Adhering to the 30% housing rule is particularly challenging in today's market due to skyrocketing rent prices. For a single person living alone, affording rent within this guideline often requires a high salary. The average person can only manage this by living with a partner or roommates, which cuts rent and other living expenses significantly. The economic benefits of living with others extend beyond just rent savings. You'll also save on utilities, groceries, and other shared costs. Many people struggle to save because they're living alone and bearing the full brunt of these expenses. If saving money is a priority, consider living with others to share the costs of life's expensive necessities. The sixth reason is you blame luck. Some people seem to have constant bad luck and blame their financial woes on it. However, as my mom once said, while bad luck can strike for a week, a month, or even a year, if you're experiencing bad luck throughout your life, you're probably doing something wrong. Many people claim they can't save because of constant setbacks, attributing it to bad luck. But the reality is, they need to look in the mirror, take responsibility, and get their act together. No one is unlucky forever, and if you find yourself in this situation, it's time to figure out what's causing your problems and start creating your own luck. The seventh reason is you don't earn enough money. Your ability to save money is heavily influenced by how much you earn. While cutting costs and making frugal choices can help, these measures alone may not be enough to achieve significant savings if your income is low. There's only so much you can save when your earnings are limited. To boost your savings potential, increasing your income is often necessary. If you're not earning enough, it's important to explore ways to improve your financial situation, whether through advancing in your current job, acquiring new skills, or pursuing additional income streams. The eighth reason is lacking a clear purpose. Saving money can be challenging if you don't have a clear purpose or motivation behind it. When you're unsure why you're saving, it becomes harder to stay disciplined and make the necessary sacrifices to set money aside. A strong purpose, or a why, provides direction and helps keep you motivated, making it easier to prioritize saving over immediate gratification. Without a compelling reason to save, it's easy to lose focus and spend on things that don't align with your long-term goals. Identifying a meaningful goal, whether it's achieving financial stability, buying a home, or pursuing a passion, gives your saving efforts a sense of purpose, making it more likely that you'll stick to your financial plans and reach your objectives. The final reason is living disorganized life. Living a disorganized life can significantly hinder your ability to save money. When your daily routine lacks structure, it often leads to impulsive spending, missed opportunities for financial planning, and increased stress. Without a clear budget or financial plan, it's easy to lose track of expenses, leading to overspending and financial instability. Additionally, the lack of preparation and foresight can result in unnecessary costs, such as last-minute purchases or late fees. To improve your financial situation, it's essential to create order in your life. Establishing a budget, setting financial goals, and organizing your daily routine can help you regain control over your finances. By bringing more structure into your life, you can make more informed decisions, avoid wasteful spending, and ultimately save more money. And those are the 9 reasons why so many people can't save.